Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at creating vertical text. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series around working with text, and I will leave relevant links in the description to follow along. Now, like I mentioned, in today's video, we're going to be looking at working with vertical text. So this can be quite nice sometimes in product designs when you need text to run vertically. Then in order to locate it, we want to go to our main toolbar here on the left, and we can see the little T button, which is for text. Shortcut for that is T. But if we keep our left mouse button in, it will bring up a little pop-up menu. Now, in order to navigate it, you just make sure your left mouse button is still kept in, and you just move your mouse, or you find the one with the arrow that shows down. So once we've selected that, now we've got a vertical text tool selected. So now we can simply click where we want to add our text, and then let's just go test, and then I'm just gonna press enter, so we skip to another line and then say text. Now, something that you might have noted is that when I pressed enter, it jumped it to the left, where normally you would imagine you want to take it to the right. Now that is one of the areas where it becomes one of the standard basics things to know about vertical text, which you don't have to worry about horizontal text. So in order to change that, what we want to do, let's go under there again. We want to navigate to our design central panel, which I showed in the previous video. It's here next to undo and redo. Then we want to click on the second tab, which is the paragraph. And under the paragraph, we've got these two little settings here at the bottom, which will be lines right and obviously lines left to right. So what you want to do is make sure we click lines left to right. As you can see now, it has swapped it for us. So now if we had to be at the end of the line and we press enter, it will go to the right, as you can see that. So that is something that is rather important to note. So once again, just a quick recap. You want to go to your design central panel on the paragraph, and then the line, take it from line right to left to right, left to right. And then that is one of the big changes. Otherwise, when it comes to the text scale and all of that, it is very similar. So you're going to be looking at fonts, scale, and the color at the bottom, or on your swatch tables. Obviously, also keeping in mind whatever selected will be changed, and then or you can use your selection tool, and then with all your text selected, now you can head to the panel again and change it relevant. Another thing which I have not covered or didn't mention in the horizontal text is editing text over here. So if we have this text selected with these edit points, we can still scale the text. So let me just go to the scale option so we can see. At the moment, if I zoom in there, it is 1.094 inches. So now I can actually go and scale this. Then let's go make it about half. Now if we go to the text tool, you will notice that now it's 0.701. So that is something to keep in mind. You can actually scale your text also with these control points, like we normally did in our previous mini series on editing with points and so forth. You can obviously also still rotate it and so forth, but it's just mostly on the actual scaling with the points. It's good to know that you can scale it and it does not destroy the properties of the text. It doesn't turn it into a shape or stroke for you. Otherwise, that is it on creating vertical text. Like I said, just quick recap. Thing to keep in mind is you want to go to paragraph if you want your text to go from left to right, and set it here on the bottom right. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.